Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Cox. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and create a new account in Cox. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Cox.com website. Then on the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on this icon here. And then what you'll see here is a way to actually log in. You're going to click on new here, sign up today. Now, once you've done so, you can either look up your account based on your phone number, email address, or account number. What I did was that I looked it up based on account number because I received a bill from Cox. And so you basically just look it up. Either of these three should work as long as it's connected to your Cox account. But for example, if we click on account number, we would just enter the account number and the last 4 digits of our SSN and then click on lookup account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create an account in Cox. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.